When life gives you lemons, you make... Hey, welcome back, viewers. We're going to be doing some more baking with lemons today. After making lemon bars, in this video, we will be making lemon sugar cookies. Let's bake. The recipe for these cookies was adapted from Host the Toast. I mainly picked this one because it didn't require chilling the dough in my fridge overnight. So let's get started. You'll need the following ingredients to make 3 dozen cookies. 3 lemons worth of zest, and 3 lemons worth of lemon juice, 2 cups of white sugar plus another half a cup for later, half a cup of brown sugar, 3 sticks of butter, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, 5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Yeah, you're using both baking powder and baking soda in the same recipe. Wow. And 4 teaspoons of cornstarch. Why? Because the original author said something about it counteracting protein flavors in the flour. And for the following equipment, you'll need 2 mixing bowls, an electric mixer, measuring cups, and a cheese grater. Let's start. You'll first need to zest and juice your lemons. This being a tedious task I do not like doing. Mix the lemon zest, 2 cups of white sugar, and brown sugar in the bowl. I had to look back at my footage to see this, but I only added 1 cup of white sugar when I mixed it in, due to a typo when scaling the original recipe. Whoops. Once the sugars and zest are mixed up, you will need to next add the butter. Use the electric mixer to cream the butter with the sugars / zest. To this, add the vanilla, egg, and lemon juice.
Ooh, that's a lot of vanilla.
Mix together the dry ingredients in a separate bowl. Then combine the wet and dry ingredients. Now here's where they get me. You gotta cover and refrigerate your bowl of dough for an hour. As an aside, there was some flour left behind in the bowl after I mixed together the dough. It had the consistency of biscuit dough, so I used a little water to make it sticky. I was able to roll this leftover mixture into biscuits, which I baked while the dough chilled. They came out pretty good. 2 treats for the price of 1 recipe. Anyway, after 1 hour of chilling, you'll want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. For this many cookies, line 3 to 4 baking trays with parchment paper. Fill a small bowl with half a cup of white sugar. Take your dough and form tablespoon-sized balls and roll them into the sugar before placing them on the baking tray.
Getting somewhere.
These cookies bake for about 15 minutes, and after they're done, I let them cool on wire racks. As you can see, they came out looking delicious, and they tasted good too. But now that I learnt about the low sugar content, you wonder how they'd taste if I had not made that error. If you liked this recipe, hit the thumbs up button. Leave a comment below if you made these lemon bars and let me know how they turned out. If you want to see more recipe videos, check out one of the ones here. We'll see you in the next one.